Let's set the record straight. Somewhere along the way, IoT devices got a bad rap for being unreliable and short-lived geeky projects. But the truth is, it's time to rethink what you know about IoT durability. Devices are being built to last longer than the PC or mobile you're actually watching this on. So let's go and dispel the biggest myth in IoT that devices like this are disposable. Let's go and put it through its paces. Okay, so we've chosen one of the hottest days this summer to really put to the test the myth that IoT devices can't stand the heat. I'm sure you can see me sweating already because the outside temperature here is about 38 degrees. What we're going to do is chuck it in the car and see how it fares. All right, I'm going to check on that in a little while and see if it still works. At 1:23, it's 39 degrees, and just 20 minutes later, it's already hit 62. Now, this is about where our budget thermometer started to cook, proving that cheap electronics do fail in the extreme heat. Okay, so thankfully for me, the shade has come over and it's a bit cooler here now, but it's still scorching hot inside that car. So what I'll do is I'll pull our device out. It certainly feels hot. And let's give it a wake and see if it's gonna upload its data to the platform. Now, I've been watching this for the last half hour or so and it's sitting at about 72, 73. And if that data point comes through, yep, there's that data point. It's about 72 degrees, but I'm sick of the heat and I'm sure it is too. So let's go cool it down. So let's test the myth that IoT devices operating in cold climates won't operate or connect reliably because of those freezing effects on their internal components. So let's turn this S2 into an ice sculpture and we'll see how it handles these frigid conditions. And as you can see, 24 hours later, this device is frozen solid. Okay, so it's time to pull it out of here and let's have a look. Oh, how cool is this? I actually know the answer to that. It's about -10. But as you can see, it's frozen and I want to see if it still works. So I'm going to NFC wake this device, which is a little bit challenging through the block of ice. But as you can see, that LED has come on and it's still working. But it's a little bit too clean for my liking. So let's go and get dirty and bust another myth. Okay, so for our third and final test today, I wanted to show you the types of extreme environments our device can withstand. And I thought nothing really more unpleasant than a manky mangrove filled with silt, mud, salt water with a rising tide. But you're probably wondering where I put the device, and it's actually just tucked down in here. Oh no. And it's not looking its best self, but what I'll do is just wake it. And as you can see, that's still turning on, which is great news for us. But if you do have any other tests in mind or want to see what else it can withstand, you can head to our website or get in touch.